I published it, and we can come in and see if we can take some of these things and Flex. Before we do that, let me just introduce you to Flex. I'm going to leave some of the messaging in there. So this is Flex Agent Desktop UI. Flex is a contact center product that works out of the box. You can deploy it, and it just works with no code required to support text messaging, Facebook messaging, voice calling, video, fax, Twitter, email, screen sharing, co-browsing. The agent UI is here. There's also things like a supervisor UI where you can see all of your supervisors. But the thing is, this is what works out of the box. I'll start chatting with some of you, fine. But you can change anything. You can change, obviously you can change colors and icons and themes and fonts, but you can also add your own React components. You can remove our components. There is no button in here that you cannot change what it says, or what it does, or whether it exists at all. You can tear this thing apart into tiny little pieces and put it wherever you want in your CRM, or you can just iframe in your CRM and over here. This is the out-of-the-box experience. You can change anything. So we got, okay, you texted lorem ipsum. I detected that you were silly. Except that one. No one's calling in? Someone call in. Do you have corgis? Good question. We have a good answer. Yes, we have corgis. Okay, so we've done all of this, but the thing is, we've got all this intent that came from the Studio Flow, but we haven't shown it in the Flex UI. And so I'm going to make a quick change programmatically to Flex, and we can see what that looks like. And so in here, I can come in, and I'm going to take the default configuration line, which is the header line of each task. And so we support this mustache syntax, so I can just really quickly override that string to say I want to show the intent that is an attribute on this task, as well as the name. So when I click Save, Webpack rebuilds, reloads, and now we can see, oh, I've got a happy customer coming in. Fantastic. So I'll take that call, and I'll mute it somewhere. Well, somewhere out there. Somewhere. Simon in the back, thank you. And so with literally one line of code of change, we've deployed a contact center out of the box, and we've taken our machine learning intent extraction understand model, we've passed that through across all different channels that we support, and with one line of code of change, we've been able to display that in Flex. So deploys out of the box, but you can change absolutely anything at all. So hopefully, all of those things give you a good feeling for the kinds of things that you can do with Twilio, the kinds of things that you can interact with, and I think we're now going to go to a Q&A. If you have any questions on this, Andreas or... All right, well, for the live demo, thank you.